Hi friends, welcome to ETFs for all. So as you have seen, the markets have been falling from past few weeks and many folks have been impatient and some people are even losing confidence. But I will tell you, this is the time when you buy. So considering what has fallen down so far and what can be some of the best ETFs that I will be buying. So let us first look at Nifty Bs. So overall you see Nifty Bs is falling. It has been falling from October onwards, and honestly, if I have to show you the order, every day I buy at least one Nifty Bs. So this is it. So I have a basket which I have already made a video, and every day, irrespective of the price, I keep on buying this Nifty Bs. Along with that, I have also added few other ETFs in the form of SIP, and I'm going to discuss some of them today. So let us go to what I did buy today, and the three to four ETFs that I have shortlisted, out of which we will do the chart analysis for two of them. So as of today, FMCGIETF is the one which I think is at a good level wherein I will be buying. So exploring the fundamentals of it, if we go to the portfolio and the holding, these are all the top FMCG companies with the percentages that this ETF regularly invests into. And if we see the overview so far, it is at a yearly low. So it had done a high of 71 and it is currently trading at near to the yearly low. Okay, and it has given good returns in the past so far. So with a 3-year CAGR of 14%, and in the year it has not given much, but yes, it has been falling, but I expect it to give a bounce with bouncing back the markets. Now going to its chart, as you can see, it went from here. There is a strong support at this particular area, which is 55, and previously also it has taken from 55, and currently our RSI is also below 40. Okay, so I feel it has come down to a good level from where there is a support, and also the RSI is also at a great level. So I consider adding this ETF to my buying list, and this is where I will be adding to my basket. So I have a basket of ETFs which has a daily SIP set. So I'm going to add this particular ETF. I will be buying around 5 quantities every day. For NSE, it will be as per the market value. So what happens is every day, as per the SIP, it keeps on executing. The next ETF that we are going to check is the ALPL30IETF. Again, going to the fundamentals, this is the Nifty Alpha Low Volatility, and it is again trading at the yearly low. It had made a high of 32. So from past 5 years, it has given a steady 15% return, and we are expecting correction in it because of the market. And as you can see, it has exposure mostly around the pharmaceutical and IT and FMCG both. So these are all the companies where it is investing. Now going on to the chart, this is much interesting. So currently RSI is at our buying level, and here I can see a supply. There's a supply zone here on the top, and there's a demand zone, and based on which I'm trying to buy, and the steady levels are 25 as of now. That would be the best possible buying area, and along with that 23. So this is the range from where it might go up, but yes, again, that is just a prediction. If the markets are supporting, then it will bounce back. So as of now, it has given a good high, and there is a steady correction that is happening, and I'm going to buy this correction. Coming back to another ETF, it is called as mid and small. If you see, this is compromising of mid small 400 momentum, and out of which the top 100 are there. It is also again trading at the year low, and these are the holdings wherein it is currently invested into, and it is by Mira Asset. And if we go to my basket, yes, I am buying it every day, a quantity of 1. So if you can see, the positions are being added every day, and I am steadily investing in the falling market. I am not doing any lump sum investment. That is what ideally one should avoid when the markets are falling. So I am slowly accumulating the ETFs which are at a good level. Also, one more ETF that I am considering is the Junior Bs, and I'll open the chart for you. The reason is because it has fallen to a steady level, and the RSI is also giving buy, and you can see it's trending from this particular level. So Junior Bs is something which you can focus on. I had taken Junior Bs earlier from this 700 levels. It has fallen down to 620, and every day I'm buying one quantity of Junior Bs, so that when it will bounce, I will have the average. And as you all have been, if you have been following me and the channel, you might have seen that I generally advocate for the concept of daily SIP, and the daily SIP is making good returns for you in the longer run, because we are generating the average of all the ETFs that we will be buying. So that's it for today's video, and hope you find the analysis well. Do your due diligence and see how are you going to invest. I would say I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just like you, taking charge of my own finances, and I've been sharing what I'm learning so far. So in this falling markets, I'm going to accumulate slowly, very slowly and steadily, and I am not scared of this. The markets will fall and rise, but you have to keep your patience. And if you are a patient investor, you will be definitely rewarded. That has been my past experience. So yes, thank you so much. Happy investing.